Welcome to the second video in this hack series. Here on BeBeautiful, we are going to show you 10 effective beauty hacks for everyday problems. But before we begin the video, go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. The first hack is to exfoliate chapped lips with a toothbrush. Exfoliating the lips can help eliminate some of the dry, flaking skin that builds up and immediately restore some shine, softness and smoothness. Now instead of investing in a lip scrub, I would recommend using a baby toothbrush. These toothbrushes are far more gentle than the ones that are meant for adults. Before you exfoliate the lips, ensure to remove every last trace of lip product if there's any. Then just gently scrub the lip area by making small circular motions. Once that's done, wipe off the lips with a cotton pad and then apply a thick layer of a lip balm of your choice. The second hack is for those who love wearing cream lipstick but hate it when it fades off. So if you're looking to make your lipstick budge proof, then this hack is for you. Today I'm going to be using the Pond's Natural Glow Face Powder BB Glow. The powder formula is going to help create a long-lasting matte lipstick look. Also guys, we have a special video on all you need to know about the face powder, so do check it out by clicking on the eye icon on the top right. Okay, so getting back, you'll need a tissue paper, a fluffy brush and a lipstick to start with. Start off by applying one coat of your lipstick of your choice. Then take a tissue and hold it against your lips and grab a fluffy brush. Dip it into the loose powder and dust it over the tissue. Next, add a second coat of your lippy and repeat the tissue powder step once more. The powder will absorb the excess moisture of the lipstick and keep it in place. Heated eyelash curlers are ideal for creating more defined lift and prolonging a curl, especially for people who can't seem to hold one. This concept totally makes sense since heat in general helps the hair take shape. The process is simple. All you gotta do is take an eyelash curler and heat it using a blow dryer. Keep the blow dryer on a medium temperature and hold the end of the curler near the hot air for 10 to 20 seconds. Then let the curler cool down to a warm temperature. Go ahead and gently clamp the warm curler 2 to 3 times on each set of lashes. After your lashes are curled, use a mascara to add depth and length. If your matte blushes aren't giving you that dewy look you oh so desire, here's a hack you're going to love. So I like using my go-to highlighter, which is the Lakme Absolute Liquid Highlighter in the shade Rose Gold. This lightweight, non-sticky blendable highlighter is insanely pigmented and little goes a long way. Scoop out some of your lipstick and add a tiny drop of liquid highlighter to it. Then mix well and dab it onto the cheeks for a radiant flush of color that's bound to garner compliments. I'm sure we all have busy lifestyle and crazy sleeping patterns, but I must tell you that they are no friends to your skin, especially your eyes. This can cause your under eye skin to appear puffy. If you didn't already know, let me tell you, metal spoons are a good temperature transmitter. Just place 2 metal spoons in a bowl of ice and water. Keep them soaked for 15 minutes. Then place the spoons over the area of your eye contours. Hold them in this position for a few seconds. The cold temperature constricts the blood vessels and boosts blood circulation, which helps in reducing the appearance of puffiness. Spotting grey hair is a total nightmare, but I've got a perfect hack to temporarily fix it. All you have to do is pick a mascara. I use the Lakme Absolute Flutter Secrets Dramatic Eye Mascara. Remove excess product from the wand and swipe the length of your grey hair with the mascara wand to make the strand disappear. You will have to cover one strand at a time. Wait for at least 10 minutes so that it doesn't smear off. This hack will make sure your grey strands stay covered with the mascara until you wash your hair with shampoo. The next hack is to maintain curls with the pineapple technique. If you are a curly girl just like me and are struggling to get your hair to remain frizz-free and easy to style, then try the pineappling technique while sleeping. Now what is pineappling technique, you might wonder. Think of it as a loose high ponytail at the front of your head. Just bend your head forward and gather all your curls together on the top. Then loosely secure the hair with an elastic band or a scrunchie like this. Make sure that the elastic band or a scrunchie isn't too tight. You don't want to pull your hair and straighten out your curls. This technique is definitely going to take special care of your curls while you sleep at night and keep them intact. Up next is treating cracked feet with petroleum jelly and socks. Especially in winters, the skin on our feet gets extremely dry. I treat by consistently applying Vaseline Original Pure Skin Jelly. This has micro droplets which have glycerine in it that helps the moisture to get into those deep layers of your skin. However, I felt like all that good Vaseline needs to stay put on the feet, and for that I recently started wearing socks after I apply Vaseline. This hack has helped boost the efficacy of petroleum jelly, especially for the feet where the product tends to get wiped off easily. We all love lipstick. Some of us are pros at lipstick application while others struggle. Luckily, I've got a perfect solution to this problem. For this hack, you need a Q-tip and a lipstick of your choice. Start by placing the Q-tip horizontally between the lips. Then take the lipstick and start lining your lips with it. Start from the center of the lower lip and extend to the outer corners. Go ahead and fill it in with the lipstick. Then start with creating an X on the Cupid's bow. Proceed to line your lips and fill it in as usual. The ends of the Q-tip act as a guide of where to stop. When you take the swab away, you will be left with a pristine, neat lip. Super simple, wasn't it? Is your second day hair not looking so fab? All you need to do is refresh it with a little water and conditioner. The addition of conditioner helps moisture, and wetting the hair reactivates the styling product from the previous day. I like to use the Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender Aroma Conditioner and mix it with water. All you need to do is add a few pumps of conditioner in a spray bottle and fill the rest up with water and shake it well. Yes, this little concoction will totally revive those curls. Spritz it all over, followed by scrunching and finger coiling. Guys, I hope you all liked the 10 effective beauty hacks for everyday problems. Make sure to try them out and let me know which hack was your favorite in the comments below. Time for me to go. Make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel, and of course ring the bell icon for further notifications.